The Aizel and the Slime Show.
What happened? I don't have no clothes. I only have a skirt and a top. Oh no! And she also don't have hair. Yeah. What is it? Let's make dresses with Play-Doh. Yeah! Also, let's make hair with Play-Doh. Yeah! Oh, what happened? Let's stop. What happened? I don't have any Play-Doh. I don't know how to make dresses. Oh, Play-Doh? Don't worry, sister. I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find it. Come here. What's the time? Wow, that's so big and it's so nice. What happened? Wrong. I don't know where we can make the dresses for my doll. I'm gonna. I found something. Let's bring it here. Here, it's so dirty there. We need something to wipe it. No, I need some wipes. Yeah, this one. I found. Let's start making the dress! Yeah! I don't like her hairstyle. So me, I don't. We're gonna make the hair first. Yes! 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 Let's go! Yeah. Easy peasy. Keep everything out. Wow, so many things! Yeah, wow! What is this? I don't know. There's so many things. Wow, I'm surprised you have so many things. I can open this. Then my mother. Please make her here. Yeah! The one. Let's make her here. Golden. This golden. Clay. Let's take some clay to make our hair. Done. Now close it. Let me see it now. I can open it. Wow, so nice. This was right there, not here. Wow. Let's put the front hair first. Yes. Oh, yeah. There's more Play-Doh. There's more Play-Doh or something. Not gonna win. No? Can I open it? Can I open it? Play-Doh? so beautiful. It is here and has a bow on her. Ew, disgusting. I'm done. Wow. Hey! Oh, nice! You are so nice. Let's make the hair. The dress now. Yeah! Make the top. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. My mom said. Wait. No? Not the top? Out. Wow, so nice. Let's take it out. Yeah, take it out, my sister. Oh no, it's ruined. I'm stuck. Rope. Rope. This is going to be so beautiful on my doll. There you go. It's done. Wow. Wow. Put the front one first. Stop. Make. Wow, looks so cute with those good lips. Wow. Let's put it on. Which one, guys? Sky for that one, spray for this. Oh, I did the top, and it looks so beautiful. Yeah. Wow. Skirt. Let's make a skirt. Skirt. Let's do this one. Let's put it on. Now let's put some clay in it. This pink one looks nice. Oh. Isn't it hard? There you go. Let's put it in the machine. Let's roll it so we can fit it in. And it's not take so much. Now let's press. There you go. Yeah. And more. Let's press the mountain. Oh, wow. Let's try this one. Wow, it looks so pretty, and I wonder how it gets done. Let's break it so we can put on our doll. It's gonna look so nice. Oh wow, see, look so different. All done. Almost done. Look guys, how I style my doll and how I make the dress. It's so much fun. You should buy it. Oh my. Done. Job. Pop. It's done. Wow. No. Let's put the stamp. It can make a Barbie figure on your doll. Small. This one. Done. one. Or this one, or this one. It looks so nice. Put her shoes on. Which shoes must I wear? These blue ones don't really match with her dress. These ones are perfect. Let's put them on. One for you, one love you. Also one for. She looks so good with those sneakers on. Wow. Now let's see. Now let's see what else there is. There's a necklace. Let's put the necklace on. Put the necklace on. She looks so beautiful now. Wow, she looks so different. Wow, she's so different now and beautiful. Let's turn her around to show you guys how pretty she is. Baby, what do you think about my new doll? Mama, he's rude. I found the glasses for my doll. Look so cool. Wow. Bye guys. See you next time. Subscribe, share, like.
Thanks for watching. Share or comment or like.